record.
Hello guys, I'm just going to show you the difference in the sound between these Chinese imported mufflers from a Harley 48. They're £185 for the pair compared to your normal Harley mufflers, which are about £350 to £400. So I'm going to take the standard ones off and fit these. So we'll just have a sound check to see what it sounds like standard, and then we'll do it with the new mufflers on. So this is what it's like standard. Now we'll take these off and then put the other ones on. Not too warm. You can stop it for a minute. Right, I've just fitted the other mufflers. Not done it fully, but I'm just doing it for a sound test to see what it's like. So here we go.